Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing. I've got myself recently something from Tiffany and it's just super nice packaging. This is just a really nice item for myself and I just couldn't pass off because I think it's just beautiful forever piece for me. Guess what I got? Oh, this is cool. Here we go. This is the large Tiffany HardWear collection earring, and this is beautiful. So it doesn't come off and it doesn't rotate around, it just moves around just like that, but it doesn't actually move all the way up, and even if I try to pull and push it up, it doesn't. And the hook is actually really sturdy. Yeah, it's super well made, of course. I mean, it has to be well made for sure. So I just really like how edgy it looks, and with this rose gold, and I tend to wear a lot more gold jewelry as compared to silver jewelry, so this just works perfectly as an addition into my current jewelry collection. So I just always wondered, will it actually move around? But it doesn't. So I think that's really the beauty about it, that it's just like a really beautiful piece, and it's not too big as well. It kind of looks huge, but it's not too big.